Do you sometimes stop and say, when you speak English? Do you feel nervous and forget your words? That is okay. Many learners feel the same. Today, we will help you sound more confident and natural. You will learn simple phrases you can use instead of, These phrases will give you time to think, and you'll sound calm and clear. Please listen carefully. Repeat after me. Speak slowly. You can do it. Now let's learn some useful phrases. These phrases will help you when you need time to think. Emma, phrase 1 is, let me think. Emma, listen again. Let me think. Emma, now you repeat. Emma, very good. You can use this when you are not ready to answer. Emma, for example, someone asks you a question. You can say, let me think. Emma, now phrase 2. Emma, that's a good question. Emma, listen again. That's a good question. Emma, now you repeat. Emma, great job. This sounds polite and confident. Emma, now phrase 3. Emma, give me a moment. Emma, listen again. Give me a moment. Emma, now you repeat. Emma, nice. This is very useful in daily conversation. Emma, now phrase 4. Emma, I'm not sure, but... Emma, listen again. I'm not sure, but... Emma, now you repeat. Emma, excellent. You can use this when you are not 100% sure. Emma, now phrase 5. Emma, let me check. Emma, listen again. Let me check. Emma, now you repeat. Emma, very good. You can use this at work or in daily life. Emma, let's review all phrases one more time. Emma, let me think. That's a good question. Give me a moment. I'm not sure, but let me check. Emma, amazing work. You are doing great. Now, let's practice with simple dialogue. Emma, listen first, then repeat. James, what do you want to drink? Emma, let me think. I want coffee. Emma, now you repeat the full sentence. Emma, great. Let's try again. James, what do you want to drink? Emma, give me a moment. I want tea. Emma, very good. Keep going. You are learning how to speak smoothly. No more, you have better phrases now. Now let's continue. You are doing very well. Now we will practice more conversations. Listen carefully and repeat. Emma, listen first. Lucas, hey, what do you want to do this weekend? Emma, that's a good question. Let me think. Maybe we can watch a movie. Emma, now you repeat. Emma, great job. Emma, let's try again. Lucas, hey, what do you want to do this weekend? Emma, give me a moment. Maybe we can go to the park. Emma, now you repeat. Emma, very nice. Now, let's try another situation. Emma, listen first. Olivia, do you like this shirt? Ethan, I'm not sure, but I think it looks good. Emma, now you repeat. Emma, excellent. Emma, let's try one more. Olivia, do you like this shirt? Ethan, give me a moment. Yes, I like it. Emma, now you repeat. Emma, great work. Now it's time for a small quiz. Are you ready? Emma, I will ask a question. You answer using the phrases you learned. Emma, question 1. James, what do you want to eat? Emma, your answer. Speak now. Emma, good. You can say, let me think. I want pizza. Emma, let's try question 2. Sophia, can you help me today? Emma, your answer. Speak now. Emma, nice. You can say, let me check. Yes, I can help you. Emma, now question 3. Lucas, why do you like this place? Emma, your answer. Speak now. Emma, great. You can say, that's a good question. I like it because it is quiet. Emma, now question 4. Olivia, are you free tomorrow? Emma, your answer. Speak now. Emma, Very good. You can say, I'm not sure, but I think I am free. Emma, excellent work. You are speaking more naturally now. Now let's review all the phrases again. Emma, let me think. That's a good question. Give me a moment. I'm not sure, but let me check. Emma, try to use these phrases every day. Use them with your friends. Use them in simple conversations. Emma, do not be afraid to speak. It is okay to make mistakes. Speaking slowly is good. Emma, which phrase will you use instead of in your next English conversation? Comment bilo? Thank you for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel. Practice every day with us. Emma, keep practicing every day and English will become easy.